Hey, it's Morgan with WTI.
This induction cooktop from Doumigo is so, first of all, beautiful. Second of all, incredibly functional. We have absolutely loved having this in our kitchen. We live in a small space, so having an induction cooktop is so important for us. And this one is fantastic. It works so quickly, which I was really impressed. It got water boiling so fast, faster than any cooktop I've had so far. And I was loving being able to cook two things at once on it on different settings. And again, it heated up super fast. And I just think the controls are really easy to use as well. The manual was very helpful. And it's just been so great to have to be able to cook dinners quickly. And this is very easy to use and clean up and move around. All in all, we have been absolutely loving this induction cooktop from Doumigo. It is a fantastic option for your small space and anywhere that you need it. And I highly recommend it. It's super awesome.
I love this cooktop, and that's my point of view.